Jamie and I have found a little place to have some lunch while she's struggling with the chair.
I haven't figured out the best way to set these up yet.
So we're gonna eat a little lunch, check out where we're at. Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
We're just gonna run out and do a little exploring today. We're not gonna do Thanksgiving today. Jamie's gonna cook tomorrow while I'm doing the Black Friday thing.
Yep. And that doesn't mean shopping. He actually has to handle all the shoppers.
We gotta go to work, so it's a little different this year, but it's still Black Friday. So, but it's been a couple rainy days. It's been ugly out, but today it's beautiful. I think it's 55 degrees outside,
and not a cloud in the sky.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So we're gonna go out, kind of explore a little bit. Test out the Jeep a little bit with all the new stuff on it, new suspension and everything.
For anybody that knows us, they know that for all the years that we had the kids and every other year we didn't have the kids, we would usually take this day and go ride the motorcycle. We tend to do Thanksgiving a little differently when we don't have the kids, and so we just decided to take the Jeep out and have a little fun.
We're going to take out the drone a little bit and stop at War Eagle and take some pictures and play with the drone a little bit. And Jamie packed a lunch, so we're going to do lunch out on some overlook someplace in the back country. So we'll definitely be social distancing because nobody will be out there.
No.
And we're doing that. So we just thought we'd bring you along. Hope everything's going okay. Hope y'all are being safe. I know it's getting a little crazy in certain parts of the country. So be safe. Hope you're enjoying your Thanksgiving.
And have a good turkey day.
Hey everybody. Jamie and I are at War Eagle Mill. We're gonna go down and check it out. We're gonna try the drone a little bit as well. Thought we'd come down here and check it out though.
Hi, Jamie. I'm being a billy goat, as you call it.
What's that?
I'm being a billy goat. You should always say that, because that's what I'm doing.
I think I'm gonna get the drone. You wanna do this for a little bit? We'll let Jamie walk you around.
Hello, gonna take you on a tour of the War Eagle Mill. During these crazy times, they're closed. So here's some really cool information. If you've never been here, it's a really neat place to come. Absolutely gorgeous in the summertime. Usually when the water is a lot higher, it's actually flooded this building many times over the years, but when we came here a couple years ago for the first time, the water was actually up over those rocks on the far side where you couldn't even see them. It was almost to the bottom of the bridge. So
Well, as many of you know, this is the first time I'm really using a drone, and I had a huge fail on this sequence here. You can see Jamie driving over the bridge. I was going to get a drone shot of her coming over. You'll see the drone here in a second. It's all set up for the perfect shot as she's coming across the bridge. It's going to be epic and dramatic, and man, it was set up perfectly, except for I forgot to hit the record button and didn't get any footage. That's a big drone fail right there. Sorry about that. Jamie and I have found a little place to have some lunch while she's struggling with the chair.
I haven't figured out the best way to set these up yet, to open them.
We're gonna eat a little lunch, check out where we're at. Jamie and I just had a nice lunch. Pretty good Thanksgiving, huh?
Uh-huh. Untraditional turkey wraps.
Yeah, it was untraditional.
That's okay. I thought that was something sitting out on that log. Doesn't it look like it?
My water's rushing pretty good.
Yeah. So I wonder if this is the road you were looking for.
It could have been, yeah. Well, we haven't had to put the Jeep in four-wheel drive, but it's still been fun.
It has been fun. We have seen a roadrunner, a large cat of some sort running away.
A couple deer, turkey.
Yeah, we saw wild turkeys.
It's been a good day.
It has been.
We are outside Kingston, Arkansas. Just on some country road. Cool that it follows the creek along here. Got to get the drone up a couple times today. Didn't lose it, didn't crash it, so that's good. Hey everybody.
Hello.
We finished up our Thanksgiving. We're almost home. Had a pretty good afternoon, huh?
It was a fun day.
Got to hang out a little bit, explore some roads we hadn't been on before.
We had a great lunch by the river.
We did, that was awesome.
Yep.
And now it's getting to be, sun's starting to go down. It's one bummer about this time of year, sun going down so early.
Yep. But we had a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun. And we'll have a video out, well, next day or so.
Okay. We explored some new places, found some other new roads that we want to try.
So yeah, it was a good day. So, hey, if you like what you see, smash the button, you know, do all that down below stuff.
Subscribe.
YouTube, subscribe.
Share us with your friends.
And I think we've got 216 or 17 subscribers, so we're getting there. So we're climbing the charts. So we just wanted to, thanks for hanging out with us today.
Hope you all had a good Thanksgiving.
Hope you all had a good, safe Thanksgiving. Absolutely. Till next time, everybody. Be safe.
Bye.
Bye.